Every one of my fans is an investor in my life.
She just got done exercising. But Ira, look. In the lobby, they had a bunch of plants with free Post-it notes written on them.
Wow, I'm surprised somebody didn't call the HOA and tell them that there's free stuff downstairs that shouldn't.
There's pandering happening.
Pandering.
Look, it's a lovely little Christmas gift.
Thor, do not eat. Biggie, double do not eat.
Also, I got a package in the mail. Ooh, I got this First Aid Beauty Hydrating Eye Cream. I remember early YouTube days, I was so excited and like loved going to Sephora and getting First Aid Beauty stuff. And Thor, nothing has changed. I'm gonna use this today. Do I have 2 other eye creams open? Yes. Am I going to continue to cycle through them? Yes. Hello, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 22. What is life? Yeah, I've exercised. I had a good little breakfast. I took a nice little shower. I have to go into work for a couple hours today. I need to hurry up and get ready. I think what I'm gonna do is just look like this at work, come home, and reevaluate if I'd like to look more attractive for class. But I just did all my skincare and I wanted to use, oh, look at this little baby. Boosts hydration, smooth look of fine lines, and reduces puffiness. Well, I need the reduction of puffiness, and I just dropped that box. Also, this actually is arriving at an ideal time because I alternate, like I use one in the day and I use one at night between 2 other eye creams that I have, and I'm running out of the daytime one, so this is perfect. Ooh, I've heard the best way to apply eye cream, don't hold me to this, but the best way is to put it on your little ring finger because that's your most gentle one, but I always end up going for the middle. Oh, that does smell like cucumber. Oh, that smells so nice. Ooh, and then you just gently dab and pat all around. Actually, I don't really know if you're supposed to do all around, but I do. I should not be an instructor of anything. Oh, I think I'm gonna do a little bit more. That was actually very nice. Like, it's very hard to tell if things are actually working or not. I guess my thing is like, I don't have any major concerns yet, so I'm gonna go with that means things are working. I wouldn't say it's like especially cooling. Oh, but I should put this in my makeup fridge. Then it would be, and that would also be probably really nice with a cucumber. Oh yeah, the entire orbital eye area. I was on it. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my life together because I need to leave for work in 2 minutes if I'm gonna be on time. Thor, we did it. We got all of our work done. Wow. Now we just have to clean our whole house because Iris is coming over and she cannot know that we leave plates on the counter. We're ready. Ooh, she's extra ready.
Hello, Vlogmas. It's me with a mint.
Do you want heat on?
You'll never guess where we are or what we're in.
Where are we going? What is it called?
Pause. But I think we should name your car.
What should we name it?
I don't know.
What speaks to us?
To us, like I paid anything for this.
We're all investors in Lauren's life.
Every one of my fans is an investor in my life. Whoa. That was good. Like, okay, obviously, like, it wasn't like, I'm not saying you're like fucking Susan Boyle, but I'm saying that was good. Do you like old names? Old people names?
Like Mabel.
Yeah, you like that? Or do you like young people
I like
names?
a spicy name.
Oh, a spicy name. Mm-hmm. Como se dice spice?
Or like Gerald.
So you had an old man name.
Yeah, like it's
We've
one or the
come
other.
full circle.
Yeah. Ours was like, I had this from the beginning.
Do you think she's a man or a woman?
Is she?
Or a non-binary? You never know.
She?
Do you ever see Miss Congeniality?
Yeah.
Do you remember that scene when Sandra Bullock walks out in the dress?
Yeah.
And that song's playing?
So we should call her Sandra.
Sandy.
Oh.
Do you think her name's Sandy? Or her name in that is Gracie Lou? Gracie Lou Freebush.
Gracie Lou! Like a little piggy right off the farm!
I can't remember what her
I'm so
actual...
amazed you know the character's name.
Honey, don't test me on my Miss Congeniality knowledge, mama. Or she could be Cheryl Fraser.
Turn left onto Broadway
Cheryl?
Bridge.
Because Cheryl's the Miss Rhode Island.
The only thing is that I know a Cheryl and I can't.
Oh, okay. Trauma.
Should I just name my car after Sandra Bullock?
You could just call her Sandra Bullock.
Just full ass
Sandra Bullock. No, I think Sandy. Sandra Bullock is the name of
Yeah,
your car.
Sandra Bullock. That's what we've named my car.
Period.
Done.
All right.
We did it.
Well,
I'm gonna call this vlog "Naming My Car" because
naming my car. Naming my car Sandra Bullock. Now,
When I meet Sandra Bullock,
when you
one
meet
day, I'm gonna be like, my first
now
Tesla.
when your car meets Sandra Bullock,
Yes.
then she takes over the universe as they will. Thank you, Alon.
Yeah.
I think Sandra Bullock it is.
Yeah.
Well, now I want a new car because I want to rename my car.
What's your car's current
My
name,
car's
though?
current name is Regina.
Like George.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good.
Because my car's name is Regina, and then I have a cat named
Oh
George.
my god, full circle again.
And I just thought of that right now.
Okay, we're gonna do it. I thought it was gonna I sniff my mint out! Not in the Sandra Bullock!
Hello, police. She's done it again. Come get her. She's right here.
How do you think class is gonna go today?
I feel bad.
You feel bad?
I don't feel bad about myself. I'm great, but
Oh, you feel bad about class.
I just feel like I'm not going to do well.
But that's what you said last time and then you crushed
So
it.
maybe it's reverse
Killed it.
psychology. Yeah, maybe it's reverse psychology and I will do great. How do you feel about class?
The same that I feel before every class. I just arrive
Anxious?
and I keep my fingers crossed.
Oh, hi, friends. Okay, also speaking of me saying hi, I set my Vlogmas from yesterday to upload. Like, I just had it publish because I'm having to edit so much. I'm not really like watching videos back or anything, and on top of it I didn't wait for like checks or anything. I just like threw the video out because I was like, okay, I just want this done so I'm not coming back late and having to deal with it. I saw on my phone I had 2 comments like pretty quickly on the video, both just being like, hello, well, hello, and I was like, literally my immediate reaction was, oh no, is my boob in the video? Or like, is there something inappropriate? Like, I have no idea what it could be, but she is a wild child. Anyways, I also really have to use the bathroom. I haven't used the bathroom. I went to the bathroom before I went to class, like a grown-up. Got to class, immediately had to use the bathroom again. Like a grown-up. Anyways, this is taking a weird turn. Hello, welcome to my bathroom. Welcome to the end of the day. I, friends, am tired. I had a good improv class. The teacher has said various versions of this, but right before I went up, she said something along the lines of like, scenes that focus on relationships are always going to be more interesting than scenes that focus on things. And I was like, yeah, I've heard other teachers say basically that. This has kind of been drilled into my head, but when she said it like that, I was like, yes, okay, on the money. So I got into my scene and I kind of said something which like people laughed at, it was funny, but then after I said it, I was like, okay, heard in my head relationship, and so I kind of pivoted it, and I think that like it ended up being just a lot better because of that. And my scene partner even said, he was like, I liked that we were able to just like figure it out. There wasn't like pressure, it just evolved and it happened. And one of my teachers was like, yeah, and isn't that like a wonderful compliment for you to hear from your scene partner? And I was like, yes, it is. Oh my god. Actually, I didn't realize it was a compliment until she said that, but I appreciated it. So yeah, I really like our class, and especially just like this, it's only level like 2 out of 8 that this place specifically offers, but it's just cool being in this one because there's a lot of very talented people in it, and I feel like it makes you learn, like I learn a lot more just from like watching people do things and them doing scenes, which is wonderful because then you're not like only learning by practice when you're the one doing it. And I mean, like, intro to improv, you know, intro to anything, I feel like it's great that there's going to be people in there that are just there to like take a class with their partner or just like figure things out or just try it out. Like, that's great and that's a wonderful thing. But I do find in this class, pretty much everybody in there is either like an actor or they want to be a professional improv or they've done it for a long time. Like, it's just like a much more intense caliber, and I'm here for it. Anyways, that's my spiel. Practice is good, friends. Just do the thing. Just try it. What does it matter? Also, even, like, I guess the thing is too, is because my teacher said this today, which I thought was very worthwhile. Like, basically this guy tried something, long story short, it just didn't really work, and then I think he kind of got in his head about it. And after the scene, one of our teachers was like, hey, you also need to keep in mind that like this is a class, this is a safe space where you can fail at things. And she was like, sometimes too, when you fail at it in a safe space like this, you're never gonna make that mistake again. Like, you're never gonna try it again, you're never gonna do it because you remember that one time when you felt weird about it. Like, she didn't say it like that, but that's what I took from it. And I was like, you're right. Like, and that's the thing, is that I don't think anybody in the class like ever thought about it again. This guy might be at home right now, like second guessing everything or like overthinking it, but I don't think that's really worth it. And like, I guess what I took from it was like, yeah, I've made mistakes in this class or like done something where I'm like, oh, this could have been better if I'd done it this way or whatever. But like, that's also what it's there for, you know what I mean? So I don't know. If you're taking class or you're doing anything new, I felt like that was helpful and useful information. Failing is learning, friends. Failing is learning. Anyways, I'm going to go use the bathroom because I desperately need to. I also am going to wash my face and I'm going to go to sleep. So go fail at something, okay? It's going to be perfectly fine. Also, maybe go use the bathroom. I know some of you need to do it. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!